Today we're doing the Verizon 5G home review, and we are going to check out if this is a decent plan, what it has to offer, and so forth. So first up is pricing. So the first option here of the two is the 5G home plan. Now for $35 per month with autopay and select 5G mobile plans, you get access to the 5G home plan, which at the time of recording is offering a 3-year price guarantee. And unfortunately, all they give us here is that it has fast speeds. So not very specific there, kind of disappointing. They do state that you can stream up to 1080p HD, which is perfectly fine with me. And of course, all of these are going to come with the router. Then up next, we have 5G Home Plus, which is at the moment of recording $55 a month. That is again with auto pay and specific mobile deals. On this one, you are going to get a 4-year price lock guarantee, which is amazing. You can stream at 4K, and of course, it's going to come with a router and a whole home Wi-Fi, which is basically just a range extender. And again, here they say their fastest speeds, but what exactly is your fastest speeds? And there's one thing I've always said, I shouldn't have to go to another website to get that information. If you're hiding it, there's probably a reason why. Though this is Verizon, their speed is pretty decent, so I'll give them that. Now, with this 5G Home Plus, you can add perks. So for an extra $10 a month, you can add Netflix and Max with ads. And there are a whole bunch of other options like Disney Plus, Hulu, ESPN Plus, or you can do the Apple One deal, which will come with music, arcade, TV. You can do Apple Music Family. I believe they used to have one with gaming, but I don't see it here, so maybe they've removed that. Maybe I'm just confusing them with another provider. Now, when it comes to coverage, and I'm going to put it on the screen here because that's just going to be much easier with a visual representation, Verizon's 5G home internet is available in numerous cities across the US, with ongoing expansion to determine availability in your area, though you can just use Verizon's coverage map. So not too much to cover here. Verizon does offer a good plan. They have a wide range of coverage. So depending on where you're situated in the United States, Verizon 5G Home is definitely a good option. Not Fios good, but it gets the job done. If you're not a power user, then definitely go for Verizon 5G Home. It's nice that you can add those additional perks at not too much of a crazy expense. And of course, if you're going for the Plus option, you're going to have those range extenders. Thank you for joining us for this review. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for more content just like this.